Hello guys, welcome to TitCam channel again. The channel for gamer who wants to make money without using many time. So today I'm gonna talk about how to get a cloud space from Google Unlimited with a very cheap price. Okay, so before we go to that, I got to show you this. This is the plan for cloud space from Google. But the currency this my country, so this is about $10. Not 10, it's a year. It is $10 a month. So it's like $100 a year. You get 2 TB. This is for example. But the way I'm going to show you today is a legit way. Actually, it's not a trick or spam or scam or anything. You can do it for sure without being banned. I'm using it for like 5-6 years, and Google allow it. It's kind of like one of the function to do it, but some people just doesn't know. So today I'm going to show you that. Okay, so here, but before I go to that function, I have to show you this. That function is come between this plan. Okay, business starter doesn't have that function. Business standard, business plus, and enterprise, all they have that function, but it's kind of like expensive. So the first function that has, the first plan that had that function is in the middle. Oops, sorry. So the price is $8 a month. So it's kind of like about $96 a year. You can get unlimited cloud space. Okay. I have no idea why Google doesn't post it, because that function is called this Google Workspace Essentials. They have it here, but they don't have it here. I don't know why, but you can buy it here. Oops, not here. Here. You can just copy this link and you can start using it by paying $8 a month. Okay, this is the details of the plan that Business Essential is going to give you here. See, blah blah blah. See, you can see here drive storage, 100 gigabytes per user, 2 terabyte pool cloud storage. But we have the function that can get you for unlimited cloud space, which is this one, chat drive for unified team storage, and I will show you later how to do it. And this function is the one that will make you have unlimited storage. See, and again, it's legit. It's not scam or anything, and you're not going to be banned because of this. You can ask Google though, because I already asked him before I made this clip. Okay. Next thing you may do, you may want to apply to this one, but before that, I'm going to show you mine. But mine is for my legacy edition, so maybe the screen will different. Okay, me, I got the legacy edition, which has unlimited space without using that function, so it's already unlimited. But I can show you here. This share drive is where you can have unlimited space. It's on my work, and as you can see, 15 people, 14 people, because it's a share drive, you can add people to work with you. And in this share drive, each of them has unlimited space. But yeah, is the I use the word unlimited, but it's actually not unlimited. It has the limitation of it. For example, they can store 400,000 of files. So beyond that, it's full. So how is unlimited? Because you can create this drive as many as you want. I only have like 6 because I have 6 company. That's it. So basically, when it's full, you just create another drive. See, I can show you how to create it. See, easy and simple. Just right click, new share drive, and whatever, like, you name it. Great. It's a new one. See, and you can put anything in here. So, but the limitation is like 750 gigabyte per day, which is a lot, but just put it, you can put it every day. And you can share to your friends. So, you know, like I said, you can make thousands of them. Maybe this one is for, rename it, for Robert. For your friend, you can share for your friend, and another one for like Jenny. Yeah, you can share with your friend, and you can collect the money. Hey Jenny, you want an unlimited drive? Pay me $20 a year, not a month, a year. Just like that. That's it. Easy and simple, and it's one of the functions of Google that provided to you. And the reason why I said it's legit, first, because I already asked Google. It's legit. And the name just telling you share drive. You can share with people. You can share it. Just share it. Share your friend. Share to your friend. See? It's just the word, one of my company, but here, and just delete it if you don't like it, or whatever reason. But you can create it like 1,000 of drive, and you can invite whoever. But okay, your friends have to use Gmail just for the basic, and this, you can have unlimited drive. Sometimes you see some people sell unlimited drive on the internet. It is this one, just this. So, but I'm not gonna sell it. I'm gonna tell you guys for free just how to do it. But you need at least to pay $8 a month, and you can share with your friend. You have 10 friends, so you pay $0.8 a month. So it's gonna be about $10 a year for unlimited drive. Is it cool? This plan, remember, Google Workspace Essentials. And this is all you got. And this is how you set up. Just remember here. Remember the link. And you can apply for it. Not for free, but it will make you create unlimited drive. Or like, you know, like I said, unlimited. But when I asked Google, they never said unlimited. They said a lot. And you know, right now I'm using it for about 6 years and never full. Like this one is only like 45% capacity. So just use it. And again, it's legit. It's not scam or anything. You can ask Google if you're not sure, because once you apply for it, you pay $8 for 1 month. And then if Google just telling you that, okay, this is scam or whatever, you can just cancel. It's easy, but trust me, it is legit. You can do it just normally. Okay, and it's a month. Just you see here is $10 a month. You only got 2 TB. Oh, but one thing I have to tell you is this shared drive cannot combine with Google Photo anything. It just you have to upload the file to here only. It's not your email. Your email will not be unlimited. Your email, you can still get only this, only 100 gigabyte per user, not unlimited. Remember that. You get unlimited only for the content in shared drive. That's it. But I think it's good enough for just a couple bucks a month. Okay. So, how was the video? Please leave a comment so I can do better next video. If you like it, if you don't like, just don't like it. If you like it, please like and subscribe. For me, I'll thank you very much. And next time, I will try to find some content, very good content to you guys. And today, see you again tomorrow. Bye bye.